My name is Sam Tavassoli, and I am a senior lecturer and researcher at RMIT University. My research is about understanding innovation and how to improve innovation. My current project is about understanding the barriers for 3D printed medical devices. The main advantage is it's customized. So it's made exactly for the patient. And in principle, you can print any part of the body. It sounds like a science fiction movie, but that's happening. So is that the raw CT scan? Yeah. This technology has not been used in its full capacity yet because of the wide range of barriers. So our research at RMIT is through a partnership with industry and stakeholders, including surgeons, patients, health insurers. We involve everybody to, first of all, to hear what they say, what their concern is.
Processing methods.
Then together with them again, we try to find solutions. What are the major barriers that you're facing? By breaking down these barriers, what will happen is that it will bring more investment from large companies to Australia. They will be more incentivized, but also it will help to nurture startups. So there are a few outcomes that we are trying to produce. One is the guideline, and the other one is a formal decision-making tool to see whether 3D printing is a good idea or not. So this is just one example of an innovation that helps patients and also healthcare system. And this is my hope, that my research can solve these problems.